Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be announcing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex sentiment meter. You'll find a Forex sentiment meter on my website, avilashazarika.com, under the Forex 101 section. In the description, you'll get the link. So in the Forex sentiment meter, we can see that 64% retail traders. Yes, keep in mind this is the sentiment of the retail traders, and 64% are on the short side and only 35% are on the long side. And usually we see that market always move against the uh, sentiment meter because we know it very well that 90% retail traders lose money. As a result, we generally see market moving against the sentiment meter. So sentiment meter here, most of the traders have taken a sell position. So if we follow the sentiment meter, then there is a possibility of market going up from the current market price. Now let's talk about DXY once, because if you have been watching my videos, then you know it very well that I love DXY, and I strongly believe that if you want to make money on Forex market, especially on USDXY, very well. So let's talk about DXY in brief. So the last traded price of DXY 95.63, and as discussed earlier, this is the support for the DXY right now. When market broke the support here, we thought that the support is gone, but surprisingly market is taking support again. But this time we have the support zone of 95.50 to 95.40. Yes, 95.40 is also acting as a strong support right now. So 95.50 to 40 is a strong support zone for DXY right now, and you can see the market is respecting the support. So therefore we have two possibilities for the next week. First possibility is market bouncing from the support and going up. This is the first support, and in case of some event in the market, or if some big news comes up, then obviously DXY US dollar will break the support and start going down. Keep in mind, when we see DXY US dollar going up, gold usually goes down, and when dollar goes down, we generally see US dollar going up. So if DXY bounces from the support, there will be some selling, some correction on the gold chart, and if DXY breaks the support, starts going down, then there will be um, good buy on gold. Okay, so that's why keeping your one eye on DXY is very important. Now let's talk about gold USD. Last traded price 1834.27. Okay, and one thing is very clear right now, that right now gold is trading in a range of 1848 on the upside and 1828 on the downside. Okay. So if you have a buy position on gold right now, then I'll say that yes, be on the trade, because we have a good support at 1828 right now. Okay, so day traders, your strategy is simple. Okay, yes, I'm just talking about the strategy for day traders right now. Okay, your strategy is simple. If market comes down to the level of 1828 and bounces, you can definitely go for a buy. If market goes up, okay, if market goes up and reverses from the level of 1840 to 43, this level, you can also take a sell position. But keep in mind, my dear friend, confirmation is always essential. What kind of confirmation? If you're taking a sell position, then price rejection from above, shooting star pattern, bearish pin bar, bullish engulfing are essential. Those are the confirmations. Okay. So if we find market reversing from the resistance zone, you can take a sell position, and if market bounces from the support zone, you can definitely take a buy. But this level is 1843. So if market breaks also this level, yes, if market breaks also this level, then you can take a sell at 1848. 1848 you can take a sell position if market reverses. Again, I'm saying keep in mind confirmation is essential. Confirmation will be in the form of price rejection from above. Okay, so this is how you can trade in this range right now, especially day traders and scalpers. And in case market breaks the support, if market breaks the support of 1828, you can see that we have many support available. Yes, for gold we have many support in the chart right now, because this volume profile indicator is telling us the story that yes, do not worry, we have the support. The support, the first support is at good support 1823.5 to 1821, this level. And then we have another strong support at 1820 to 1818. Yes, we have got many support on the chart of goal right now. So in case it breaks also, then there will be good bounce. Okay, there's a good possibility of market bouncing from either this level or this level. Whenever market will bounce, or if you see a good bounce, definitely you can take a buy position. And as I have already mentioned in my previous videos, that if gold breaks the level of 1848, 1850, then the next big resistance on the chart of gold will be at 1858 to 1860. This will be the big resistance, or the next big resistance for gold right now. Okay, apart from this level, yes, there are some multiple minor resistances, but yes, this is a big resistance for gold. Okay, but we have got many supports, this support, this support, this support. Okay, so the road is not clear whether it is going up or going down. Okay, there are multiple resistances, multiple supports. Let's see. And keep in mind, if gold starts flying somehow, then we have the ultimate resistance at 1875 to 1876. This is the ultimate resistance for gold. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you're a beginner, new trader, please follow proper risk management. Okay, if you're experienced trader, so they also follow proper risk management, my dear friend. Because see, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. For my wrong analysis, you should not be losing your 50%, 40% capital. Okay, do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. That's my request, because this is a trading discipline and you should always be following. As I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. Okay. And my dear friend, if you are new to trading, if you do not understand the charts much, then I have one playlist, a small course, mini course on my YouTube channel. You will find it on the playlist. Okay, so bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday. Tomorrow I'm taking rest. I do not work on Sundays. Bye bye.